is the most delicious chocolate Yule Log you'll make this Christmas, with Odlums of course. Kick off this recipe, we're going to start with the sponge. So into a bowl we go with 4 egg whites. 4 egg whites in. We're just going to whisk these until soft peaks. Now, so once you see it starting to come together, there's 2 checks with egg whites. There's the first check, which is to check and see if you're able to flip it upside down. And if it slides slightly off the bowl, just whisk again. So we've got 125 grams of golden castor sugar in, slowly and gently. Once you've whisked in all the sugar, you should be able to hold that like so, okay? And that's your second check, and that's how you know you're basically ready then to add the rest of your ingredients. So we're going to go in next with 4 egg yolks. I'm going to whisk those into this. We'll go in with them. Into a bowl, we go 125 grams of the Odlums cream plain superpower. And to that, we add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And finally, we add then 1 teaspoon of the Odlums baking powder. So what you do is you get your egg mixture, so you sieve the dry ingredients then straight. So just get in there with your spatula and just fold really gently. Straight onto a tray with parchment paper. Once you have that all spread out, that goes into the oven at 200 degrees on the top shelf for 10 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven and it's cooked, you just get yourself some castor sugar and on some parchment paper, you dust and tip onto the castor sugar. With the parchment paper tucked into it, you just roll really gently. So just roll, like so. Now all you need to do now is set that aside and let it cool. And while that's cooling then we can make the frosting to go on top. Into a bowl we go with 200 grams of icing sugar, 125 grams of butter. To that then we have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So just give that a really good whisk. So we're going to add the cream. So just go straight in. Roll it back up again. Just be nice and gentle with it. So I'm just going to pipe then on the frosting. And this doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to use the fork to spread it all out evenly. Just kind of spread it evenly. Once you have it all smoothed out, like that with your spatula, get your fork and give it then just the ripple effect on top. And there you have it, the most delicious Yule Log with Odlums. Merry Christmas.